So like when you put your car into reverse, it's automatically going to go to the reverse screen, which I've actually turned off in this actual model. So I'm just going to show you how to disable this and also how to check it just in case you're having some reverse issues. So go into settings, car infotainment, scroll to the bottom, about device, click on the setting icon up here, 8878, okay. Now we want to go into back setup and we want to go camera detect. See if it's on this or not detect, it's not going to go into reverse. So I'll put this into detect now. Before I was actually hitting the trigger on this one. And the reverse trigger is just the orange and black like wire that comes out of our main 20 pin plug. When that gets 12 volt, it triggers the screen to reverse. So I'm going to save and reboot here. And then when this starts back up, we will do the test to see if our reverse trigger now works. So I'm just going to hit the reverse trigger now, once this is at a second just to boot in. So now when I hit the reverse trigger, you can see it's all up and not working. So that's how you can check that the reverse trigger is sort of on, and you can turn it off if you ever need to turn it off for any reason. Say you want to overpower the reverse, so you could go straight into F-cam for a secondary camera or something like that.